Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Before we dive into today's tutorial, make sure to click the link in the description below to sign up for Adobe's free trial and start creating right away. Are you tired of feeling limited by your design skills? Look no further than Adobe's suite of creative software. With the latest updates, Adobe has made it easier than ever to bring your ideas to life. From graphic design to video editing, Adobe has a tool for every creative pursuit. Photoshop continues to be the industry standard for image editing, while Illustrator's advanced features make vector graphics a breeze. InDesign is perfect for crafting stunning layouts, and Premiere Pro's intuitive interface makes video editing a snap. But that's not all. Adobe's Creative Cloud platform allows you to access your projects from anywhere, collaborate with others in real time, and stay up to date with the latest features and tools. Some of the exciting new features in Adobe software include AI-powered editing tools, advanced collaboration features, and seamless integration with other Adobe apps. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, Adobe's got you covered. In this video, we'll take a closer look at some of the most popular Adobe software and show you how to get started. We'll cover the basics of each tool, share some expert tips, and demonstrate how to achieve professional-looking results. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more creative tutorials, leave a comment below with your favorite Adobe tool, and share this video with your friends and fellow creatives.